Hello students, so today we will start new exercise self practice 14E. So in this exercise we will learn how to find the circumference of a circle and how to find the area of a circle. So the plane figure which we are going to study today, that is the circle. Okay. This is a circle. So a circle is a plane figure which is bounded by or which is closed by a curve. So see, this is a curve and this is a closed curve. So this is the center of the circle, which is called O. So if you define the circle, so what is the circle? So circle is the locus of all points. Locus means positions. Here this curves are made up of many points, and all the points are equidistant from the fixed point O, which is called the center of the circle. So what is the locus? So what is the circle? Circle is the locus of all points which are at a fixed distance, which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. Constant distance from a fixed point. So the distance, constant distance from the fixed point is called the radius. It's called the radius small r. Okay. So we have to calculate here the circumference of this circle, the length of the boundary of the circle. So what circumference of circle? First formula we will learn. Circumference of circle equals to what? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Where r is the radius and pi is a constant quantity, and the value of the pi is what? 22 by 7 or 3.14. So the value of pi is what? 22 by 7 or 3.14 that we have to use. So what do we mean by this pi? The pi means here is called the pi radian. So 2 pi radian. So here pi circumference of the circle is also called pi into d. 2 into r, that is pi into 2r. So twice of radius is called the diameter of the circle. Now you can see this is called the diameter. So the longest chord of a circle, which is passing from the center of the circle, is called diameter. So this diameter is represented by capital D. Capital D. So what you can write? Pi into D. So circumference of circle means pi into D also. So what you got here? That the boundary length, that the boundary of the circle is 3.14 times of the diameter. Means this is actually 3.1. Whatever the diameter of the circle, that's 3.14 times is the length of its boundary that you will get. Okay, that is the meaning of this. 3.14 times the diameter. So chord means any 2 points. If take any 2 points, here we take an A and B on the circle. Take any 2 points on the circle and join the 2 points. So the line joining the 2 points on the circle is called the chord. So this is the chord. So this, like this, you can draw many chords in the circle. But the chord which length is the maximum, biggest chord is called the diameter. So as you draw the chords towards the center, as you move this chord towards the center, its length will increase. See, another chord we take, this length is more. You can take a CD. Okay. So as you move away from the center of the circle, the chord length will decrease, and at the top it will become a point. Like this it will decrease. Like this it will decrease, and at the end, at the pole, it will be point. Next, we have to find the area of circle. Area of circle. So what is the area? This curve enclosed. So area of this plane figure we have to find. So the area of the plane figure is what? Any figure length we take and multiply with the other dimension. So here the area will be pi r square. Pi r square. Okay. So that will be pi r square. So the area of circle is pi r square. So with this formula you can calculate the area of a circle. Now we move to the exercise practice 14E, question number 1. So in the question number 1, we have find the circumference of a circle in terms of pi. We have to find. Given answer in terms of pi. The diameter is given A1A. The diameter D. Diameter is given D. How much? 9 centimeter. Diameter is given 9 centimeter. So the circumference C. Circumference. So circumference. Capital C is equals to what? Pi into D. That is 9 pi centimeter. Pi into 9. That is, you can write pi into 9 centimeter. That means 9 pi centimeter. That answer you can write 9 pi centimeter. Similarly, you can do the remaining question. Now we move to the question number 2. In this question number 2, we have to use the value of pi 22 by 7. We have to use the value of pi 22 by 7. And we have to find the circumference again. Circumference, that is capital C. Circumference is equals to pi into d. And the value of pi is what here is 22 by 7. And diameter is given 21 centimeter. So 7 into 7, 7 into 21, that is cancelled. So when you multiply 22 by 3, you get what? 66 centimeter. So the circumference we got for second A 66 centimeter. So the remaining I am giving for you the homework. With the same formula you can calculate the other circumferences also. Now we move to the question number 3. Now in the 3 also we have to calculate the circumference, but here we have to use the value of pi 3.14. In this case we have to use the value of pi. Now here the diameter is given 20 mm. And the value of the pi is given 3.14 that we have to use in this question. Okay, so find the circumference again. Circumference is equals to 1 pi into d. Now the value of the pi we have to use 3.14 into diameter given 20 mm. Now multiply this, what will you get? So 314 to the 628, 6.28. With 2 I multiplied into 10 mm. So out of 20, with the 2 I have multiplied and then I have left it here. So when I multiply this number by 10, decimal will shift from this right. So answer will be what? 62.8 mm. 62.8 mm is the circumference. Okay? Now we move on to question number 4. The remaining question of this third you can do with the same formula which I have used here. Now see in the question number 4. Find the length of the diameter of a circle. Circumference is given. So here circumference capital C is given. Circumference 44 centimeter. Okay, and diameter of the circle we have to find out. So using what C is equals to pi into d, we find diameter d is equals to transfer this C divided by pi. Divide the circumference by the pi. Circumference given 44 centimeter. And the value of the pi here you have to take 3.14, 22 by 7. The question is given. The value of pi you have to use 22 by 7. So here we use 22 by 7. So this will turn. So this will turn when we convert this into a fraction. Means normal fraction. So since the denominator is fraction, so what we write 24 centimeter multiply 7 by 20. So with this 22 1 and 22 22 2 are 44, that is cancelled, and 2 7 are 14 centimeter is the diameter of that circle which we got. Now we move to the question number 5. In this we have to find the radius of the circle and circumference is given. So in the question number 5, circumference is given 314 centimeter and the value of pi will be used in this 3.14, and we have to find the radius. So here we use circumference is equals to using formula. Using circumference is equals to 2 pi r. This we use. And now in this case we have to find the radius. So r is equals to, keep this r, we transfer this 2 pi to the left hand side. So circumference will be divided by 2 pi. So c divided by 2 pi. So now put the value. Circumference we have 314 centimeter divided by 2 into pi value is about 3.14. Okay. So now I want to remove the decimal from here, so I have to multiply by 100. So the both numerator and denominator I will multiply by 100. So in the next, what will happen? Decimal from the denominator place will be removed. So decimal from the denominator place will be removed. So there we got radius equals to 314 centimeter multiply 100 divided by 2 into 314. So when I multiply this 100 by 3.14, so this decimal will shift to plus y and the number will become 314. Now see 314 actually cancel to the 314 by 1 times. Now 2 is cancelled to 1, the 250 is 100. So what we got the radius 50 centimeter. So we got the radius of the circle 50 centimeter in this case. Okay. So now we move to the next question, question number 6. The diameter of Ravi's bicycle tire measures 63 centimeter. So diameter is given here. Diameter of bicycle tire. Diameter of tire. So diameter of cycle's tire given. Diameter of cycle's tire given 63 centimeter. How much? 63 centimeter. How far does the bicycle move when the wheel makes one complete revolution? So in one complete revolution, so when this wheel will move, in one complete revolution it will cover its distance of the boundary. So when it will move on the road, so it will cover its length on the road equal to its circumference only. Okay, in one revolution. So when it move, it will cover its boundary length only. The circle will cover on the road its boundary length, which is the circumference. Okay. So, distance covered by bicycle, what is it? Distance covered by bicycle. Distance covered by bicycle. Distance covered by bicycle in one complete revolution. In one complete revolution equals to what circumference of wheel? What it will cover? It will cover the circumference of wheel. Now what is the circumference of wheel? That is the 2 pi r. But the diameter given, so you can use pi into d. Since diameter given, so you use the formula pi into d. So what right? Pi into d. So the value of pi here it is asked to use 22/7. 22/7 and diameter given 63 centimeter. Now see the 63 will cancel with the 7. 7 is a 7, 7 is 63. So what you got? 9 to the 18, 9 to the 81, 198 centimeter. So how much distance the wheel will cover in one revolution? Cycle will cover in one revolution 198 centimeter. Okay, so this is all for the today students. In the next class we will solve the remaining questions of this self practice 14E. This is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.